Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly video, or my most recent video. I've been really working on trying to develop a little bit more of a professional learning assessment or prior learning assessment. I actually was fortunate enough to sit in on a conference or a seminar with Dr. Nan Travers, part of the Empire State College. She does a lot of research with Dr. Eileen, from what I understand, and it was very, very helpful. So my most recent paper was on that. And then I tried to add some areas where the students are going to go in and post some of their projects. Excuse me, I'm just getting over a little cold. And then also just using like Google Docs. So if they click on this, it'll bring them out to the Google Docs page, where they could add to it as well. Here I used one of Dr. Eileen's folders that she created for our course, just as an example. And then in the prior learning assessment, if students click on that, sorry, my computer's super slow, it'll bring them to this area. And then again, if they click on this area, which I'm working on how to try to figure out to make this a little bit better. Heather, sorry to use Heather for an example here, but she does a great job of being able to link things to pages or resources or different areas of information, and it's just really seamless. So you hit that drop down arrow, you get more information on that. You can hit this link and it'll open and close that as well. And then she also uses this tab here, and it brings you out to another website, which I think is really cool. I've tried to do that in a couple areas and been relatively unsuccessful. A little bit of what I added recently also is for the educational side of this. So it's going to show us, what the actual purpose of this website is, as far as the students go and the ongoing educational process. And then also in the home page, I tried to give it a little bit more of a focus. As I mentioned in my previous post, I kind of struggle with that. I start coming up with things that I think are great ideas, so I tend to put them in there kind of haphazardly and think it's a good idea, and then it doesn't always wind up being one. So yeah, I look forward to the feedback, and it's been fun developing this one so far, so I look forward to continuing. Thanks.